Ego are taking cordless outdoor power equipment to the next level with their 56 volt, 5 amp hour, 40 centimeter PowerLoad line trimmer with Line IQ. It comes with a carbon fiber shaft, making it the strongest line trimmer on the market, with a telescopic design for quick length adjustments for ease of use and comfort. It's really well balanced and makes outdoor work much more comfortable. You get over 60 minutes of continuous cut time when used with the Ego 56 volt, 5 amp hour arc lithium battery, which is included with the kit. This revolutionary trimmer is also built with digital variable speed, a high efficiency brushless motor, and 2.4mm professional cutting line. But it's Ego's all new, world's most advanced trimmer head featuring the brand new Line IQ technology that sets this trimmer apart from anything else on the market. With auto sensing monitors that can automatically feed the correct length of line for a continuous 40 centimeter cutting swath, so you get non-stop high performance trimming. Experience Ego's new 56 volt, 40 centimeter PowerLoad line trimmer with Line IQ without the noise, fuss, or fumes of non-cordless outdoor equipment. You can have a look at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.